customer brought me this Colt service model Ace 22, and as y'all saw, the hammer wasn't staying back. Turned out to be just a simple fix, a little bit of rust on the sear. We lubed it up, got her working, and I've always wanted one of these, so they're kind of expensive, and if you would consider subscribing, I could get monetized and possibly buy one. So let's take it for a test drive. Got it. All right, it started raining yesterday, so we had to dog off, but we're back out here on the range today. We're going to continue testing out the Colt Ace 22. And we'll start at 25 yards on that little bitty chicken I got hanging on that rail right there. Y'all may not see it, but hopefully you'll see it spin when I hit it, if I hit it. But this will be a true test of the trigger. Let me hit it. Let's try again. A little high. A little low. Well, I was actually hitting this earlier. I don't know what's going on. I guess it's y'all making me nervous. Let's put some more shells in it. Okay, we're loaded back up. I'm gonna try it one more time. That thing's pretty small. It's only 1 inch wide. Sometimes I can get it, sometimes I can't. I winged it. Y'all didn't see it. It's jiggling. I swear to God, it's jiggling. Go out there with the camera. Let's try the big chicken out at 50 yards. I hit it? No kidding. This gun's a piece of shit. Or maybe I can't shoot. Let's try the big gong to the left of it. 50 yards. Ready? I'm gonna try the jumping jack at 25. I suck today. Got it. Better. All right, let's try for the chicken out there at 50 yards one more time. God dang it. By God, I'm eating chicken tonight. I think it's doing pretty good, and unfortunately I'm gonna have to give it back to the guy. I've never had a customer's gun that I actually wanted to run off with, but hard to say in business if you steal people's property. So I'm ending it here. I'll see y'all on the next one.